This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules.
Two militants of Hizbul Mujahideen were today arrested by security forces in frontier district of Kupwara, where a member of same group surrendered on June 7. Official sources said that Army and Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police, acting on a tip-off, arrested two militants of Hizbul Mujahideen in Handwara. Sources said that the questioning of the arrested militants was going on.
उसमें हंदवाड़ा पुलिस को इस बात की इत्तला हुई थी कि हंदवाड़ा में चोबुल के इलाके में कुछ सस्पिशियस मूवमेंट हो रही है एंटी नेशनल एलिमेंट्स, तो उस पर वहाँ पर पुलिस और आर्मी ने नाका लगाया था और नाके पे जो है दो शख्स वहाँ पे पकड़े गए। उनके पास जो है काफ़ी मात्रा में असला मिशन भी बरामद हो गए। वो दोनों जो हैं रहने वाले उनकीपुरा के।
Pertinently, on June 7, militant Danish, who was seen holding a hand grenade during funeral of militant Sabzar Ahmed Butt, successor of Burhan Wani, surrendered before the security forces at Handwara. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 01942468500 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.